Wow, ang ganda naman ng kwarto natin, Madam Berna. It's a junior suite. Nice. Very, very nice. Importante dito is the balcony. Yes, I love the balcony because I drink coffee with the view. O yan, meron na akong upuan dyan for my coffee. Yun nga lang, it's late at night. Wala tayong makita kundi mga ilaw lang ng hotel. At least we're given a nice upgrade by the hotel. Thank you, Accor. Thank you, Movenpick. Well, there's a couch there. Sayang, para kay Cole sana. Working table for Mama Berna. Ganda. Tapos inayos pa nila yung mga towels, oh. Wow. Ganda, ganda. Tapos, ano ba meron dito? Oh, our welcome amenities. Look at that. All given by the hotel. Being Diamond members. Ayan, panay sweets. Meron ding mangga. Ubusin ko na kaya yan. May bananas pa and some, ano ba yun? Grapes. Ano ba yun? Kiwi. And some kiwi also. And laging merong bottle of wine. Well, it's 2020. Para kay Berna, it's a red wine. From the card that's given to us, yung calling card ng manager, welcome back kami dito sa Jimbaran. Yes, we're always here because we love your hotel and we keep on going back. Katabi na magandang jar yung aking coffee maker. Yan, coffee maker yan. So this is how a 50 square meter junior suite room looks like when you get upgraded by Accor being a higher status. Ito, mukhang nakakatakam-takam na ako dito. Hindi ko na antayin si Madam Berna. Kakainin ko na yan. Okay, so we have an umbrella on the right side. Uy, ang laki ng aming walk-in closet, ah. Wow. Halos isang kwarto na para sa kung merong magkakasya pa. Quite big. So this is, we have a small ref here. Let's open it up. Some drinks for us to consume. And now, let's check the last part. The toilet. Oh, it's also quite a big toilet, oh. Yung aking favorite seat, nakatago pala dyan. Oh, nice furnitures inside the toilet. And there's also a bathtub. And there's curtains if you want to see the view. The regular one, meron siyang rain shower. I'm sure pag nag-bathtub ka, if I open this will be, yun, tama ako. Salt. Pag nagba-bathtub. It's pretty nice. And everything is big. Okay, preparing to sleep. Yun, naligpit na ni Madam Berna lahat. Alright, we'll have a good night's sleep and we arrived kinda late. And thank you for watching the vlog.